What's up everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to set up an Etsy store as well as a Printify account and how to link them together in order to sell products that are printed on demand. So let's get right to it. First of all, you need to create your Etsy store or Etsy account. So for that you'll need to go to etsy.com, and here is like an overview of the platform and some items that are listed on sale here. As I told you, you do not have to have like a physical item. You can list the item here, and when you link your Etsy store to your Printify account, when you get an order on the item, it will be printed on demand by Printify and shipped by Etsy. So that's basically it. So that's print on demand. Here you have sign in, so you can click here to sign into your Etsy account or register if you do not have an account. You can also sign in or sign up with Google, Facebook, or Apple. So I've signed up with my email and I go ahead and sign in with my account. Okay, so once you're signed up or sign into your account, you will be redirected to your main home page where you have your account settings and so on. So what you want to do is to set up your shop. So I'll click on the shop manager here, and you will get like some questions. You'll ask some questions and some steps to do in order to set up your shop. So name your shop. So let's name it test shop. Okay. Save and continue. No special character between. Okay, it needs to be no special characters, spaces. Okay, so no space. Test shop. Okay. It's already taken. So for the sake of this video, so let's add some numbers. Okay, you'll need to come up with a unique name for your store. And now the second step is to create a listing. So you'll have to create a listing or like a design for your store. So for the sake of this video, I'll just add a random photo as my design. So I'll add a photo, and you have also the option to like add several types of photos. So let me add a photo real quick. Okay, so it'll be like this photo of some trees. As I told you, this is not, of course, a final design. However, it's like to show you the procedure in the video. Okay, it's uploading right now. So let's fill in the details. You can also add a video to showcase your design or your product. Okay, now the listing details, the title. So let's say it's a test design. Okay, who made it? I did, or a member of my shop, another company or person. I did. What is it? A finished product, a supply or tool to make things. Let's choose supplier tool, or let's make it a finished product. When did you make it? Made to order. Okay, so category, let's say decoration. Okay, renewal options. Okay, decorations in wall hangings. Let's say I want to create like a poster. Craft, you can select crafts. And here you can select the primary color. So let's choose any colors. Secondary color. Okay, width, centimeters. So let's 20. So like basically any numbers for now to showcase. Centimeters. Okay, centimeters. Okay, 20. And sustainability. Okay, linen. Framing, it's framed. Okay, style, art deco. Okay, occasions, anniversary. All of these options are optional, so however you can fill them up as you like. However, the one marked with like an asterisk here are mandatory, or you have to fill them in. So let's skip all the like optional options. Renewal, this listing will renew, expire for. Okay, I'll renew the expiry date myself. It's a digital file that buyers will be able to download, and then you'll have to add a description. So this is a test frame design, for example. Okay, you can add production partners, you can add sections, tags, materials, inventory and prices. I want to sell the design for like $100. Quantity, I have like 1,000. Okay, needs to be, so let's be 100. SKU is optional. Okay, personalization, digital files. Okay, create files after the purchase, then upload them to complete. Okay, returns and exchange, no returns. Okay, so all looks good. Let's click on save and continue. Okay, great job, you are finished. And here is like a preview of your listing. Okay, here you have the option to add more listing or do this later. I'll do this later since I showed you how to do the listing already. Now you have to set up like a payment gateway. So here you have the options to get paid. Okay, you have to select your country and it will tell you the options of payment, the payment options. So let's say United States or USA. And here it tells you that your account is not confirmed and you have to confirm it with the email that they sent you in order to get all the Etsy like capabilities and get the whole Etsy experience. So for now, you get the idea. You have to fill in all the details about the payment and billing and your shop security and so on. I'll just like skip this for now. And the second step is to set up your Printify account. So you have to go to printify.com here and you can log in with your account if you already have one, or you can sign up here. So I'll click on sign up to create a new Printify account. Okay, so here I can continue with Google or register with email and password. I'll go ahead and enter my email and password to create an account. And once you do log in or sign up, you will be greeted with your main dashboard here. So here are the main items that are like trending. They show them to you. And now what you want to do is to link your Printify account to your Etsy account. And here, if I go to my new store and click on it, as you can see, it's not connected to any stores or any online service. So I'll click here to add a new store. And as you can see, you can integrate many options to your Printify, like Etsy, Shopify, TikTok, Walmart, and so on. So Etsy is one of the first options to pop up here, since it is great to integrate with Printify. So here I'll click on connect to Etsy. And this pop-up will appear. Okay, you are currently signed in. Okay, and it asks me if grant access or deny it to connect to Etsy. So I'll click on grant access. And now it says congratulations, you are now connected, and you have now connected an Etsy store. And you can check out this article to know how to start selling. So if you click on this article, it'll open in a new tab here. And it'll give you like the steps needed and how you can connect these to Etsy, to Printify, and start selling your print-on-demand products. So that was how easy it is to connect your Etsy store to your Printify account.